welcome back to LoloCreates. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'd love to have you back. You should click the subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell so you'll never miss another video from me again. The 4th of July is coming up in a few days and I figured I'd make a simple DIY. So this DIY is for those of you who either want to enjoy some popsicles or enjoy some snacks that you have to bring to a barbecue or wherever you're going. So today's video is going to be red, white, and blue popsicles. So it's kind of like an American flag or inspired by one. And they're perfect for this time of the year. So without further ado, let's just get started. The materials and ingredients you will need are raspberries, vanilla yogurt, blueberries, blue food coloring and water, a blender or something to make a puree in, and popsicle molds with the popsicle sticks or popsicle sticks and some sort of cup, or in my case I used some plastic ice cream spoons that I found at the dollar store. First we need to make our purees. I used 2 containers of raspberries, which makes approximately 6 popsicles, and blended them up. You want to make it so the raspberries are smooth. Once it was done, I transferred it into a container with a spout and added some water because I didn't think it was thin enough to pour, so just eyeball it. For the blueberries, I did the same thing, except I added some blue food coloring because blueberries actually make a purple color when you try to puree them. So keep adding it until you get the right blue. And to brighten up the blue, you can add some yogurt. This also thins it out a little. Thin out your yogurt using a little bit of water and put this into a container with a little spout so it can easily be poured, and then put the yogurt, your raspberry mixture, and the blueberry mixture into the fridge until you're ready to use it. Take your cups or popsicle molds and put them in a tray. Then you're ready to pour in your blueberry puree. You add about 3/4 of an inch to it. Just make sure the cups are pretty even, and you can use up all of the blueberry in this step, so just pour it all out. You can wipe out any extra blueberry on the sides and then freeze them for about an hour or until they're firm. Don't rush the process. You want them to be completely firm before you put on your next layer because you don't want the layers to mix. If it does mix a little, it's not the end of the world. It'll be more rustic, but you want to try to keep them separate. Okay, if you don't wait long enough, what will happen is it'll blend into the white layer up top, but it's okay, it's just rustic if you do it that way. I wouldn't recommend it though. So freeze for about an hour or until firm. Again, don't rush it. Then it's time to add the raspberry on top, and again do about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a 1/2 inch, and you'll want to put your popsicle sticks or plastic spoons for gelato as I put in there, and you'll want to put it in the frozen layer as well as the top layer, and then freeze for an hour or until firm. Continue alternating the yogurt and raspberry layers until you're done. For the last layer, I would wait a little longer than an hour, and then you can take them out and eat them. Subscribe to my channel as well as go check out my social media and watch my last 2 videos. Bye guys, see you next time.